Welcome to 1147 Salola Lane. Before I show you this beautiful home and property, let's explore some of the benefits of living in Connestee Falls. This high elevation mountaintop community offers unparalleled natural beauty with 4 pristine lakes, world-class trails, and many breathtaking views of the Blue Ridge Mountains. It's also a place that fosters community with 60 resident clubs and volunteer groups spanning a broad range of interests and activities, from organic gardening to a round of golf on the 18-hole George Cobb course. 1147 Salola sits prominently above the road in the center of 3 combined lots, providing the ultimate in wooded seclusion. As you enter this expertly designed home, you'll be pulled to the wall of windows, soaring ceilings, and the grandeur of the communal spaces. The finished layout is in line with the perfect amount of living space, with openness in design, creating a freeing experience that draws in the natural beauty of the forest throughout, with a seamless connection to the outdoor living spaces. The primary suite is generous in size, with his and her walk-in closets and ensuite bath. Upstairs, you'll appreciate the privacy of the bedroom layout, separated from the primary suite on the main level, with an open-air concept for the ideal home office or second living room. The lower level has easy potential for additional finished space and storage. The ground level is already plumbed for an additional bathroom for separate living quarters. This home has the architectural design and style that you've been seeking, located within a community that encompasses the Blue Ridge Mountain lifestyle that you've been yearning for. Schedule your showing of 1147 Salola Lane today.